When pavements go bad in certain sections of a roadway, it's been common to completely reconstruct the entire corridor. It's costly and time-consuming. But thanks to a series of non-destructive forensic evaluation tools that are able to peer below the surface, alternative and targeted construction and repairs have the ability to save time and money.
We were looking at ways to speed up construction and provide the same quality. We hear a lot of complaints for road construction, so it's really important for us to minimize the impact to the traveling public.
What we wanted to do with these tools was go in and evaluate the condition of the existing pavement, show which sections structurally were sound and could be reused and reincorporated into the new pavement structure to give the designer options. There's some different tools that we have that look at different aspects of the design. So we have our ground penetrating radar, and we also collect a high definition video, so we have a video of the entire project and we can look for distresses or problem areas on a quick scan. We have structural evaluation tools like the falling weight deflectometer. We can go in and do an actual structural evaluation of the pavement layers with that device.
The idea is to identify what the existing structure, where it's at, and then determine the best strategy to move forward with a reconstruction, or in this case for State Highway 6, we were looking at widening State Highway 6 and optimizing the approach.
On State Highway 6, we did an extensive LiDAR survey of all of the overpasses because we wanted to look at clearances. So if we widen, are we going to have horizontal or vertical clearances with the bridges that were there, or will we need to reconstruct those bridges? And another thing that we're looking at is how to set up traffic control closures. So you have to look at balancing how I close it, how much it delays the traveling public, and that's one of the things that we're doing in this project along with the pavement evaluation.
So on State Highway 6, we're going to have to move traffic to the frontage roads at some point, and some of their research helped us determine that most of the frontage roads are in really good shape, but there were certain portions that are going to need to have a complete rehabilitation before we turn traffic over to them. If not, what would have happened is we would have turned traffic onto the frontage roads. Basically, those roads would have fallen apart before the project could have been completed.
We're saving resources. If we can save the pavement that's there, we don't have to go out and bring in new materials, and so that has a lot of economic and environmental savings, and also time. So if we're really talking about accelerating, if you can reuse anything that's there and reincorporate it into the new, you save those times just off the bat.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.